I want to show off a pretty neat tool that's kind of lesser known, kind of hidden, but a really neat tool. And this is the Quick Access Toolbar. It's part of the Excel interface, and it's been around since the 2007 edition of Excel. Now, it's going to look a little bit different on the Mac version of Excel, but it's going to carry the same concept, and the way that you interface with it on the Mac is going to be a bit different as well. I've answered the question a few times in the Q&A section for the Mac user. So if you are a Mac user, you can take a look at the Q&A section and you'll find an answer to how to customize this on the Mac edition. So this is the Quick Access Toolbar. It's located in the top left corner of the screen. You can currently see I have things like save, undo, and redo up there. It's the Quick Access Toolbar. It's supposed to be quick, easy access, direct access to some of the more common for everyone or more common features for you. So that Quick Access Toolbar is something you can customize. If I go to the little down arrow here, it will give me a handful of other common commands. Let's say, for example, I print quite a bit within Excel. So in order for me to print, I currently have to go to File, Print, and do my settings and print. That's at bare minimum, that's like 3 clicks in order for me to print something. Well, here, I just have to go to the little down arrow, turn on Quick Print, and now I got my Quick Print button right there. One button press, off to the printer. That simple. Don't have to go to File, Print, Print, one button press. Another one that I like is the sorting commands. I do a lot of sorting in my lists, and in order for me to sort, I have to go to my Data tab and go find the sort commands. Now, that's not huge. It's not a lot of steps. But again, you customize this to commands that you use regularly. It's not something you have to go digging for and go search for or perform multiple clicks. You just have it in a single button press right there. Now, something else you can do. If you find a command on the ribbon, one of the tabs here that you use often, let's say, for example, I go to Formulas and I've got the Auto Sum button. That's something I use all the time. I'm constantly summing up a range of cells. Well, if I right-click, right mouse button click, I'm going to have an option for Add to Quick Access Toolbar. I can select that, and there it is. Quick, easy access to the Sum button just right there. Customize this toolbar, get all your favorite commands up there, or if you're not quite sure, you're newer to Excel, and it's like, well, I don't really know what I'm going to be using yet. Well, as you continue through the course, if you find a command that I'm going to use that, add it to the Quick Access Toolbar. Customize your experience and make your life easier and quicker as you're working inside of Excel. Utilize the Quick Access Toolbar.